Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix crying filter not working on Snapchat. Our first solution is we need to update our Snapchat app. To do that, go to your Play Store, search here Snapchat. If you see any update available, then download the update and go to Snapchat and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to delete our Snapchat app and reinstall it. To do that, tap and hold Snapchat app and tap on app info. Tap on storage usage. Tap on clear cache. Tap on clear data and tap on back to the upper left corner. And tap on uninstall, and once you uninstalled your Snapchat, go to Play Store, search here Snapchat and reinstall your Snapchat account and then log in into your account, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.